REDTIGER has sent me a 4K dash cam. Let's go ahead, unbox, and review it. So the REDTIGER dash cam comes with obviously your connection right over here to connect what's needed, and for the rear mounted camera as well, it has like basically for security purposes system, you could hardwire do the kit, but to do that I need a lot of time or hire a professional. I could do this, but it's gonna take a while, so we're not gonna be installing the hardwire kit. But keep in mind that the REDTIGER has the capability of connecting it straight to your battery to connect, so that you could do it while the car's turned off. And basically what this does is if the voltage is low, it'll automatically disconnect from the car. Included is these two cables that power these two cameras on. So basically one of these powers the front camera, and it does have a rear camera capability as far as I know. And this right here is for the rear dash cam. So before you continue and install this on your windshield, what you're gonna do, plug it in, connect the lines to a power, and power on the car on, and then you'll be able to estimate where you want your dash cam to sit. Cool feature about this, if you're leaving your car away for a while in the sun and you don't want your dash cam on, this can lock and unlock. So basically you slide in one direction and you unlock this whole thing from the camera. That way your camera is not exposed to the heat elements, and you can just simply take it off. And then when you're back, you just slide this back on. Of course, this is going to be obviously mounted to the windshield, but you get the idea that it will be slid right on, and very easy on and off installation. Now, what I do recommend is keeping a lot more double-sided tape and stuff, just in case you need to reinstall something back on the windshield. If just in case, maybe let's say your windshield's cracked and getting that replaced, or if this sticky pad has actually gone bad. So when you are powering it the first time, you do want to hit the red button, and then of course you want to hit your preferred language, which is my case would be English. So it's touch screen, and time zone, we are Eastern time zone, so click that, prepare an SD card. It's all good. Now we can go ahead and do the installation. So with the installation, you're gonna want to install it properly and see where you would like it to be. Okay, so got that installed. As you can see, it's installed, and now we got to install this wiring. In my case, I'm not plugging it into there, I'm plugging it into here. So we got an excellent tool from REDTIGER to put it in underneath the dash all the way through, and I already clip this bottom piece off. So if it easily clips off, you do not have to use a special tool to tuck it underneath. But basically what you would do is with this tool right here, you would just go underneath, pop it open, and then you could stick the wire through like so, and you could pop it open and you could tuck it in. Even with the tool, it's kind of hard for me to film and do this at the same time, but I'll show you the complete setup. But this tool you'll be able to use to bend stuff, like pop stuff open a little bit and clip it back in. This tool easily lets me put in this wire in tight places like this, and you can always clip panels off to tuck wires where needed to be. So I got that installed over here with the dash cam over there. Let's see if it works. It should be working. Yeah, it's working. But yeah, I got it installed. I'm not gonna close it up yet, because now we got to install the rear mounted dash cam, which has to go somewhere in the back with a special sticker that I'm gonna show. Next, install the electromagnet sticker, which is this right here. I didn't install it, probably it's not flat, but it's okay, still install it, and keep a spare that comes with the REDTIGER. Then there's adhesive here that you attach to the REDTIGER rear dash cam, and then you're gonna run the wire across down into where it needs to go. So just finish the install, put extra finishing touches like the wire holders down, got it installed through there, and up back through there. So this is a little exposed because this is permanently, you cannot get it open good. I'm afraid to break it, but that's as far as it goes, so that's gonna be good. It's not gonna go anywhere as long as you don't pull on it. Ran it up all the way there through here, yes, through here, believe it or not, through here, and down up to here, and connected down over there as well. So perfect install, nice and free and clean. So this camera has a lot of different settings, which is unique. Also, I did the camera flip on it, so the reverse camera works very, very well right here. Yep, reverse camera works very, very well. There's different modes you can put on, like only front, only rear, or just depending, front big, rear small, or you know, rear only, or like rear only and front big. I like it this way. But yeah, it records everything, which is amazing. It does come with gigabyte card, like 512 gigabytes. That's the only downfall, but hey, you can set it up to do loop recording as well. Don't forget to keep your extra mount and extra sticky pads for that rear camera all the way in the back. And this dash cam does come built in with an app. Here is the barcode to download it. Once you download the app, it is very, very, very easy to use. You can do your front display, your rear display. It has GPS enabled, how fast you're going. It's like speed enabled as well. Also, you could save all your videos to your camera roll or to the app of your choosing. Very nice quality view videos in the front and back. Loads very fast, no lag at all. Download quick. If you need proof to show to a cop, very easy to use, and it'll show you your exact location. This is why I recommend the REDTIGER dash cam. Seriously, back to that.
The next product is a power balance wristband. These contacts are made.
Now, the absolutely cool thing about this is the fact that everything is touchscreen. And I mean, it's touchscreen, which I like about that it is touchscreen. Or you can use the buttons. Very cool. What do I like about this camera? Well, I like one thing about it. That's the rear camera. It's nice and compact and out of the way, and you tucked in the wires properly. And this company, REDTIGER, provides long wires for installation to tuck into the body panels of the inside of your car. Well, as this camera not being in the way of the whole rear view camera being stored away, and the fact that you can easily take it off when you need to store it away from the overheating of the sun. I do like that the app can be used very easily and can save your recordings very, very, very easy. REDTIGER sells lots of different models of the dash cam, and they do sell the ViewClear 70. Click the link in the description below and get yourself and buy yourself one. I highly recommend it, and it's well worth it. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 Turn right. This particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.